All right, today is Thursday, October 17th, like, I don't know, 11 o'clock in the morning. Today, we're going to be cleaning and prepping a flat top roof. And tomorrow, we're going to be putting new cool coat down. So here's the roof. We just blew it off with a blower. And we're going to be pressure washing it right now. So we'll do that first, get it ready, and do some patching. All right, so we've started doing some washing here. We got Jerry here helping me. So we've been dealing with some wasps up here in the evaporative cooler. They've made a nest, so we're cleaning the roof and dodging wasps. They're coming in and out of this hole right here. There's a nest right inside here, right up in here. Okay, so we've cleaned the roof off now, and it looks a lot better. You can see, looks a lot cleaner. The power washer and the brush, we used a broom, kind of scrubbed it and washed it as we went. It's looking pretty good. Still wet over here, but it's definitely looking a lot better than it was. All right. Okay, with the roof being clean, now we are patching small cracks and things. I'll show you what I mean. So we have some areas that have little chips and little cracks, which we're going to be filling in. And we've already started using this wet patch, which is pretty good. This one's skinning up already, but we're going around the roof, getting all the areas that need the patching. We have an artiste at work. Picasso. Just watch your step. All right. Come over here. And there we go. And we got a little puppy playing in the pool. What you doing, Cal? Silly dog. All right. Okay, so we're done with the roof for day one, where we cleaned it off, scrubbed it, rinsed it, then we did the patching. I'm going to take you up on the roof and show you the patching, and then tomorrow we're going to do the cool coating. All right, this side wasn't too bad. We had a few areas. This whole east side of the roof is really not too bad at all. As we get over here, we've got some areas that needed patching. And then as we got more in the central part, you can see a lot of spots that needed patching. So this was probably the worst area right in here. A lot of little things chipped up, and see if I can see there. We filled that in. This stuff should be skinned. Some of it's already skinned right now, like the first stuff that we did over here is already skinning up. So it'll be ready for tomorrow when we come up here and start rolling out the cool coating. All right, you guys have a good evening. We'll see you tomorrow. Got some nice clouds in the back there. With the sun right there over my shoulder. Cool.